So guys, welcome to Siyang 18 YouTube channel. So saan tayo, Sir Papadi? For today's video?
Sa Pampanga. So lahar. Tawag na tayo ngayon sa Desert Safari. Sa diba, na-experience sila ang camel ride. Makapanood sila ng belly dancing. Tapos siyempre yung sa desierto. So extreme ride.
Excited.
Natin.
Super excited. First time.
Pero mainit.
Mainit
So,
niya.
So,
abangan natin mga kababadihan
Kung
kanilang
kakayanin.
experience. Meron muna siyang baong gamot.
Kung kakayanin ang powers namin, kasi galing kami sa malamig na lugar.
Yes, malamig. Tapos dito is mainit. So, baliktad.
Baliktad ang
so
powers.
guys, check it out. Kung kakayanin ba talaga.
Kung kakayanin ba ng camel.
And mag-enjoy tayo.
Yes, mag-enjoy kami. Kasi yun ang sinadya eh. Di ba?
So make love shoutout.
Mega love shout out to our Madam Principal.
Oh yeah,
Sean
Michelle.
Rick.
My mother.
Solid
Mega love
liquid.
shoutout.
And Team Matatag.
Team Matatag.
Magic
Of course,
Sisters.
Magic Sisters.
Ayan.
Shout out sa inyong lahat.
Yeah. Sir Sheffy, may special kang babatiin?
May, of course, Papa F. Mega love shout out.
Papa
Hello,
And Frank Pala.
Ayan.
Papa, and welcome to Bushak 18.
Star 90.7 Love Radio.
Yes.
So, abangan. Be with us. Thank you. So, guys, we are here.
Premiere mo yan, ha?
Stop over to. Premiere ko to. Yeah. Yes. Of course, said. So, nandito kami. Nagtatagay kami yan, guys.
Yes, Papa D.
So is here. And Uncle Sheffy.
Ang laki pa lang niya, oh, ang laki ng katawan.
Bebe.
Oh, kalahati yung katawan niya sa...
Hindi naman maluwag lang isot ko. Maluwag lang.
So, ang payat.
Maluwag lang isot ko. Masot ko.
Welcome to Bushak 18 from Radio 90.7.
Okay, bye, radio. Ay. Actually, si Sir Uncle Sheffy talaga yung nagbigay ng name na yun, guys. Bushang Star 90.7 Love Radio. So, here we are. Ayan, guys.
Open o gano'n. Yung parents dito sa UAE. Nasa Middle East ka. Gano'n. Yung hangin na parang binuksan mo yung open. Gano'n. Gano'n yung may experience mo.
Talagang ganun.
Talagang gano'n na gano'n.
Yeah.
Yung binuksan mo, ano ba yung binuksan mo yung oven, yung hangin na lalabas doon, yung mainit. Yun yung nararamdaman namin dito.
So, that is
That is Middle East, Dubai, UAE.
yeah, all
Welcome,
here.
Miss Jean Alonso, Dubai.
Yeah.
The land of the camels. You're welcome, Miss Jean. Let's go.
Black Mamoon.
So, how's the first stop, guys?
Oh my God, it's too hot.
Yeah.
Very, very hot. Namumula na nga.
So, nakamit ka na ba ng camel?
Oh, meron isa doon. Sabi ni Papa di daw ako kaya nung camel. Ganun ako kataba.
Ganun ba yun?
Grabe si Papa D.
Ay.
Ganun ako kataba, Papa D.
So, mamaya titingnan natin kung kaya ba or hindi kaya si Miss
Kaya
Jane.
yan, kaya.
So, check it out.
Hindi nila tayo ng malaking gawin.
Samahan niyo kami.
O yung malaking camel daw. Para sa akin.
Ayan. Diba, mas arty siya sa atin pagdating sa video. So, guys, we are ready for the next vlog. Yan. Uncle Chef is at the back. Miss J and Sir Papadi. Yan, no? Sure out ba talaga? Venus trip. Sir Marcos, I hope you enjoy this trip. And Miss J. So guys, binabawasan yung air ng car. So ayan. So, ready na ba? Ready na ba kayo, guys?
Yeah, ready. Emergency ready.
So we are having
Put your seatbelt, anak ko.
Ayan. We are
Seatbelt. Seatbelt.
Ben of the evening.
This is
Kaya,
Version
Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost.
may kalang kapatid.
Kasama ko din.
Like me,
Nag-enjoy siya.
I like a magnet to a nun.
Wala nga pati ngayon private na trip.
Can like a lighter from the ocean. I feel them on the Fools like them, they suss me out and then they
Ito
ghost.
lang natin.
Did you there on the...
Found a rainbow in my shade. The steadiest of places. I better want my soul.
Oh my God!
I said,
Ano?
Buwa. This is it, the dessert safari guys. So ayan, as makikita niyo ang ano dito. Ayan guys, alam nyo ba guys, ito yung sa background natin, as you can see. Dati nakikita ko lang talaga to sa calendar guys, and akala ko lang dati talaga it is a drawing, but ito talaga guys, it is true talaga siya guys. So this is it, and Busyang 18 is so thankful talaga at this moment kasi ayan, may visitor tayo na from UK na because of YouTube. So nandito kami nagbabanding, and di ba kakaiba tong moment na to guys. Kaya heto sana nag-enjoy kayo talaga guys.
when next year?
Ayos na.
Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. Girls like me, I like a magnet to a nun. Can like a lighter from the ocean. I send them on devotion and so on my phone. Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. Found a rainbow in the shade. The steadiest of places. I better want my soul. I said,
So guys, dito kami sa after the Desert Safaris, dito kami having a camping here. So this is it. So likuran namin, ang likod ko, nasa likod ko, desierto pa rin yun. So sand is everywhere. So nandito lang kami, nagpapahinga, and the dinner will be served. So ayan.
Ito na yung huling part. Siyempre yung uwian na. Busog na at nag-enjoy kami sa aming Desert Safari 2024 with Miss Jean Alonso.
Jen Alonso and her son, Sir Sheffield Explorer, Papa D, and Busyang 18. Bye-bye! See ya! Turn for today. Pauwi na kami, guys.
Like a lighthouse on the ocean, I sail in my devotion into my thoughts. I said,
Nakaganito pa ako. Hindi pa na
So here we are at Jen Alonso's home sweet home. From Jen Alonso Home Sweet Home here in Avani. In Avani! Kulit lang. So weird. Has come. Oh yeah! And madalas lumalabas puting gata.
Oh, darling,
Darling,
by me. Oh, yeah, by me.
oh madalas lumalabas.
Ma'am Jen Alonso and
Tingnan.
Marcos, thank you so much for your precious time that you shared at the team Kapayapaan. Oh diva, may team Kapayapaan talaga. Thanks for being a part of your journey. Thank you so much and God bless you more.